In front of me is ZTE Blade V50, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by opening messages and selecting or creating a chat. Following that, hit this plus at the bottom left corner. And to add an audio file, select Files. Now you can look for your file over here by hitting Audio at the top. You can access one of those apps, or click on those three lines at the top left corner and pick one of those sources. Wherever you decided after locating your file, you need to hold it. And click on Select at the top right corner to attach it. If you want to add a video one, click on Gallery section instead. And if your video is recent, click on it over here. You can also tap on Folders section and add it the same way as an audio file. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!